Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Aparna Shah, and for all those who've already been connected to me, thank you so much. Love you guys. So today I'm here to share with you all the morning skincare routine. So basically I've been very lucky with my skin because my mother has amazing skin. So her genes, thoda sa that factor has worked really wonders for me. But one thing I learned from her was whether you have good skin or a little challenging skin, you still have to take care of it because depending on what kind of skin you have and whether you're feeling dry or too oily, and depending on those things you really have to choose your products. And only moisturizing in today's kind of pollution is not going to help. There are a lot of more things that your skin needs nourishment of. So I will share the routine that I have for morning, but it could vary depending on your kind of skin, what works for you. This could just be like the base that you take and then maybe change products accordingly. So let's start.
I start my skincare regime by washing my face with face wash and cold water. Next, on the face wash, I use the cleansing brush. It exfoliates the dead skin and deep cleanses the pores. It comes with 2 brush heads so you can see which one suits you the best. When you're cleaning your face, remember to dab lightly and not wipe harshly. Next, I uses Emollient, which is used for hydrating the face. Hydrating products are available in cream and roll-on forms in the market. This has suited me the most amongst the ones that I have tried. It's extremely light in texture and penetrates through the face almost immediately. Also, please remember, any product that you're using on your face has to either be rubbed very lightly or you have to just dab it. The more you pull your skin, the more elasticity it loses. Next, I use the micellar cleansing water. Normally micellar cleansing water is used before the face wash, but I find it more convenient to first wash my face and then use this. That way जो भी last minute dirt particles मेरे face पे होते हैं वो micellar cleansing water clean कर देता है. Next, I'm using the Face Shop's White Seed Toner for the day. Toners are extremely important in skincare. Last traces of dirt gets removed by this. Also, before any other thing that you are applying, it absorbs better in your skin. Now, the next product that I'm applying is White Seed Whitening Serum, which is again light in texture. Serum helps in going deep in your skin and helps with making your skin firmer and smoother. Massaging the product is as important as applying it. If you aren't massaging it well, आपके products first layer of the skin में ही रह जाते हैं. The blood circulation increases if you massage well, which helps you with fighting off aging, pimples, etc. Now please make sure that you're massaging every part of your face and the motion that you're using is mostly circular or uplifting the face. Now next I use one of these two. The days it's very humid or warm, I use Body Shop's mattifying lotion. नहीं तो क्रीम लगाते ही बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आने लगता है. And the cooler days I use Forest Essential Radiant Cream, which has 25 SPF too. So I don't have to immediately then apply sunscreen with it. So basically you'll notice the whole process that we are using here, we are mostly starting with very watery and light textures of liquid to little creamy texture. So basically the light texture helps with getting into the skin even better, and the creamier texture helps lock the previous things that you've already applied. Now next that I'm applying is the vitamin C, which is extremely essential for your skincare regime. It protects the skin from sunburn, wrinkles, sagging, dryness, etc. Also helps make skin even toned and reduces patchy skin looks. You can put this separately onto your skin, or you can also mix it well with your moisturizer and apply it together. Now next is my lip care routine, which is extremely important, which usually gets ignored. Also, if you're putting enough balm on your lip and your lip feels very dry, it indicates dehydration. So drink enough water. Now, I didn't apply sunscreen immediately with moisturizer because most of my day creams that I choose have SPF, but I do apply every 3 to 4 hours. Now, aloe vera gel is something I always keep in my bag, and if I feel too dry or too muddy due to pollution, I apply this to my face after wiping my face well with face wipes.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was my skincare routine for the day, and you have to start taking care of your skin as soon as it is starting to mature, which is around 22 years to 25 years, which most of us only realize once we hit around 30. But that is the time you should start taking care of your skin, so that in future when your hormones are changing and you're getting older and your skin is maturing, you basically have already taken enough care and you are continuing, so it's much easier to keep your skin refreshed and looking young. So if there's anything else that you want me to cover, please put it in the comment box, and please let me know whether you liked this video or no. And I will also be coming up with my night skincare routine, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you come to know as soon as I upload my videos. And until I see you again, keep glowing.